Hey folks, I'm Tassy from Glasswing Greenhouse, and today we are going to do a fun activity. You can do it on your own, or if you have kids in the family. We are going to make terrariums, and today I have a special guest.
Hi, I'm Peregrine.
Peregrine and I are going to make some terrariums. Are you ready? Yay! Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is a jar. And if you have a mason jar at home or a glass jar, just ideally you want it large enough where you can get your hand in. It's just going to make it easier. You're also going to need some potting soil, some rocks. If you have it, activated charcoal, but it's not essential. So if you don't have it, just skip it. Otherwise, we're going to put a little bit in. You're going to need some little plants. You can take cuttings off of other plants. These are little Christmas cacti. I've also gathered some hens and chicks from the garden, and these are great because you can just pull them out and they have little roots attached and you can plant them separately. If you have spoons, a couple spoons, that'll help with the soil, some paintbrushes, and then for decoration, rocks, crystals. You can do some plastic figurines, like little dinosaurs or animals to decorate with. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, since the container doesn't have a drain hole, we need to put some rocks in it. Here's some rocks. Get a spoon and maybe like 1/2 inch of rocks in the bottom. This part's a little messy, but that's okay. That's pretty good. Looks good. Shake it out a little bit to even it out. Charcoal. Do you know what the charcoal's for?
Making it so it doesn't, making the soil so it doesn't go bad.
Yeah, it keeps it fresh. Keeps the mold, bacteria away. That's right. So just a little scoop of that. All right, and now we add our potting soil. You want the rocks, the charcoal, and the soil to be about 1/3 the height of the container. Yeah, maybe just a couple more scoops. That's looking good. And then you get to choose the plant that you want. So you can either do a little Christmas cactus or you can do some little hens and chicks. Which one would you like? The hens and chicks? All right. So you can just pull them out and kind of just push them into the soil. They don't have much roots on them. Yeah, just like that. I'm going to add a little more soil to mine so it stands up. Yeah, you can just pull them out. They have like little roots attached. And just try to push the roots in the soil. Oh, you could even use the paintbrush to kind of like push the roots in. Or the spoon you can use to kind of pack it down. And then if you want to, you can use the sand or the rocks that we use for the drainage and add some to the top of the soil. Just as like decoration. And don't worry about getting the rocks in the plants because you can also use the paintbrush to kind of brush out the rocks. Yeah, great. Do you want to add any more rocks or are you good?
I'm good.
You're good? Okay. I'm just going to brush a little bit. Get the rocks out. And now, do you want to choose any animals or rocks to put in? Yeah, that one's nice. Can I take these 2 red ones or are you going to use them?
You can have them.
Okay.
You can take this orange one. Then I'm also going to choose a wolf.
A wolf? Okay, I'll choose a dino bone.
And
Ooh, I like it. That looks like a real little landscape. Okay, so I think we're done. Do you know what the terrarium's gonna need to be happy? The plant's gonna need?
Sun and water.
Sun and water.
But just a little bit of water since they're like cacti.
That's right. They're succulents. They're like cacti. So they just take a little bit of water. They like a lot of sun. So maybe watering every couple of weeks, just a little bit. And there you go. You want to hold yours up for people to see? Yay! So I hope you enjoyed this project, and if you have any questions, you can always email us at help@glasswinggreenhouse.com.
Bye.
Bye, thanks.